To take a screenshot on a POCO C85, you can, for example, use the combination of two buttons, the power button and volume down button. If you press both of these buttons at the same time, you can easily capture a full screenshot, just like that. Besides that, there is also a gesture that you can use. With 3 fingers, you can just swipe from the top towards the bottom, and as you can see, we can create a screenshot like that as well. You can also go to the control center, and you should be able to find the screenshot button. If you tap on it, then the control center with notifications will hide, and then you will capture a full screenshot. And that is pretty much it. However, if you cannot do the gesture for a screenshot, or you cannot use the combination of the 2 buttons that I mentioned, then you can open the settings, scroll down in settings to find additional settings, then we're gonna go to gesture shortcuts, and then in here we have the take a screenshot option, where we have the 3-finger gesture, 3 fingers gesture I mean, and there is also the combination of these 2 buttons. So of course you want to make sure that they are enabled. Subscribe to my channel.